Are you ready to welcome the new year with a brand new skill? Imagine kicking off 2025 with the power to build cutting-edge data pipelines and solutions using AWS. Well, now's your chance. Join our live AWS Data Engineering training batch, designed specifically for IT professionals like you. Why choose this program? In today's IT industry, cloud knowledge isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. Our comprehensive curriculum covers key AWS services such as IAM, S3, Glue, ETL, Redshift, and more. You'll also learn to automate your pipelines using CI/CD services like Code Build, Code Deploy, and Code Pipeline. But wait, there's more. You'll experience live interactive sessions led by seasoned professionals. This isn't just a lecture, it's 100% hands-on and interactive training where you get daily class recordings, study materials in PDFs, code samples, and real-time examples from your trainer's own experience. And to make sure you truly master these skills, you'll work on real-world projects. Plus, we've got special doubt-clearing sessions, resume preparation, and interview assistance to ensure you're job ready. Mark your calendars. The batch starts on Monday, December 9th, 2024. It's a 6-week course, and it's fully live online. Seats are limited as the year-end is approaching, so don't miss this golden opportunity to transform your career with in-demand data engineering skills. Click the link below to reserve your spot now. https://www.thecloudengineering.com/courses/599732. For more details and to check out recordings from our previous batches, visit https://www.thecloudengineering.com/. Want to talk to the trainer directly? Reach out on WhatsApp at +919818404123. Happy learning!